Yeah, now let's solve well anagram in C++. So again, if you don't know what anagram is, or if you want to know the base logic which you should solve this, just go through the logic video which I have uploaded. And yeah, now let's go through the actual things which we can do. So the first thing which I had told was we can use the hash map to keep track of all the elements visited. And then we can have first we'll add all the values of s, we'll subtract all the values of t, and check if the value of hash, or if all the values in the hash map is not equal to 0, and we can directly return true at the end. Yeah, but let's go through that. So let's declare the map. What you'll have, so you'll have a char and the int of type d. Yeah, and so for every value of every character in s, what you will do, if by any chance the value does not exist in your hash map, so d dot find, you want to find the value of c, and it should not be, yeah, then what you do, d at the position c plus plus, else what you will do, d at the position c is equal to 1. Yeah, so if it is present, then you will increment the value of d at the position c, or else you will set it to c, set it to 1. Yeah, yeah, let's not do that, let it be like this only. Yeah, now what you'll do, you'll do the same for t also. For every value, for every character in t, if by any chance you go to the end, and if that value of c is not present in d, then rather than this one, you will directly return false. Or else what you do, did the position c minus minus. Yeah, and yeah, you can add another check here, which will actually make last for loop redundant itself. So what you can do, or no, let's not do this. Let's follow. Let's just go through how we did it in Python itself. And yeah, so now what we'll do, for every value, for for every value in your dictionary, if by any chance the value, if the, okay, so no, let's call it, for every character in dictionary, if the key, yeah, if the key is not equal to 0, then you can immediately return false, or else at the end what you'll do, you can return true. Yeah, so this was the first approach which I had discussed. Yeah, as it runs, let's just submit it. And the result is, yeah, it runs. That is what is expected. And now let's go through the other approach, which was what we'll do is, so first we will declare an array of size 26. Let's do that first. So we are declaring an array of size 26. Let's call the array, what we'll call the array, we'll just call it rr. And the size is 26. And what are you initializing with? You will initialize it with 0 initially. And now what you will do? Yeah, you can actually have another check itself where if the length of text is not equal to length of text, then you can immediately return true. And yeah, but it's not that important check. It is just a guard clause. So what you will do for, yeah, for every character in yes, so arr at the position, what you want to do, so you want to get the value of character and you want to subtract a from it, and you'll do plus plus. So this will handle the value and the position of like what you call incrementing every character by 1, like every value of the array by 1, and you will do, At the end it will always be true. Yeah, let's just check. And as you see, it is running. At least there's a syntax error. And now what you do? And you'll do the same thing again for every auto character in T. Just do the same thing, but do minus minus. And if there is only one sentence, then there is no requirement of this, I think. But let's not do that. And now every for auto value in your ARR, if by any chance the value is not equal to 0, not equal to 0, then again, so what to do? Return false, or else you'll return true. Yeah, I'll see it once. Let's just submit it once. Yeah, as is accepted. This is the second way to do. Yeah, that's all for C++. Stay tuned for Java, Golang, Python, other languages. And yeah, that's all. Bye.